waiting for long because they are very busy with this assembly parliament issues. They have already discussed and finalized everything. Formal has to be done. And called a all-party meeting on Sunday on this Kaveri issue. And the Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu is coming. We voluntarily want to discuss the best interest of both the states. So I have accepted this letter. And I also conveyed that let us work together.
So BJP State President Vijayendra is saying that Rahul Gandhi is insulting people of Karnataka by not expanding the cabinet.
How many days they have taken cabinet? Different states, what happened in Delhi, different states. They should also know what is their state. How many days in all these states whenever they are in power, including Maharashtra and the different parts of the country. I think Vijayendra is less experienced on that issue. In so many states, only one, without a ministry, only one chief minister was there for a very long time. How many days Mr. Yediyurappa was there without an expansion? Only he and his father only enjoyed.
So by today we can expect?
Okay. ಈಗ ಕಾವೇರಿ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ಸರ್ವ ಪಕ್ಷದ ಸಭೆಯನ್ನು ಭಾನುವಾರ 11 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಜಿ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಆ ಭಾಗದ ಸಂಸತ್ ಸದಸ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಕ್ಷದ ನಾಯಕರಿಗೆ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಲೀಡರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಆಹ್ವಾನವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ.
பிளே ஸ்டோர் மற்றும் ஆப் ஸ்டோரில் இருந்து பாலிமர் செயலியை QR கோடு மூலம் பதிவிறக்கம் செய்யுங்கள். செய்திகளை உடனுக்குடன் பெறுங்கள்.